papunta doon, okay? Alright. And once again, yung mga phones po sa bag. Yung mga phones sa bag, alright? Alright, let's go! Let's have our first group with us. Let's go, let's go! Ay, touch lang po.
Before the night, I'm ready. I've been waiting for this night for so long. Been waiting for the night.
Ayan! Nakikita ko yun, may inabot si ate.
So long.
Huli ka, Alcon. Next group. Pag nakita ng cellphone, imamind ko yan. Reminders lang po, ang mga cellphone mo ay nasa bag. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat for being cooperative. Being cooperative. Akyat lang po tayo at tayo po ay mag-high touch. Oh, wow! And now we have our last batch for our high touch. Yes! Alright! There you go! Maraming pong salamat! Thank you so much once again, FB19. Thank you so much! Very good! Maraming pong salamat once again, FB19! So sana po ang mga 18 ngayong hapon ay mag-enjoy at kung nag-enjoy po